This is the Emerald Isle litter, and they are just 2 weeks old. This little boy is Dublin. Over here is a brown tabby. Her name is Wild Irish Rose. Hey, sweetie girl. She's very vocal. Back here we have a boy. He's a black smoke and white. Hey, honey. And his name is Danny Boy. Over here we have another sable. Sable Classic Tabby Boy. And his name is Finnegan. And back here we have a Silver Classic Tabby Girl. Hey, sweetie. Her name is Erin Gobra. Hi, hon. I had to put Danae out of the room because she would not permit this. Hey. Their eyes are all open. They're getting around good. Irish over here is very vocal. Yes, you are. You're very vocal. Hi. Hi. This is one laid-back boy, aren't you? You're one laid-back boy. You napping, Finnegan? Yeah. Who fell over? Who fell over? I don't want to stress Danae out too much. She really wants to get back in here, so I'm going to make this short. But we'll do another video when they're 3 weeks old. So for now, Irish, you have such a big mouth. Yes, you do. You are a real talker. Goodbye from the Emerald Isle litter, and we'll see you in about another week.